All right, so I just built an agent that can automatically do job hunting for you. Now here's how this works, right? So this will accept job title, the experience, the location, and this is currently configured for any market. So you can put in any region here and specific markets here as well. And this will automatically look for popular websites right now in India, but you can configure this for any website. And you can see this has fetched a few jobs that could be suited with the experience that I have in place. So I have also mentioned 2 years as the experience. Obviously that's not my real experience, but for testing purposes, when I mentioned this, it automatically fetched the job. Right now I'm not configured it to fetch the link because I was just testing the agent, but it is able to do a pretty good job when it comes to at least fetching the available jobs around me. Now all I need to do is just add a link here so I can go ahead and apply to that job. It also gives me recommendation and skills that the job requires and the skills that I should have in my CV in order to make it stand out. So use keywords found in the job description for ATS, focus on quantifiable achievements in previous roles and so on and so forth. And it also kind of talks about the industry trends with respect to how this specific industry is growing so that you can prepare for interviews per se. Now let's quickly take a look at the agent and see how this really works. So the agent can be found inside jobs, jobhuntagent.new. Currently this is not pushed to production, but I'll push this in a little bit. So here's what the agent does, right? Again, all of these things, if you've gone through our previous code, should be very clear to you. This is just schema of our code with respect to these are the pieces of info that we will need in order to analyze the industry growth opportunities. And then this is the response that we want from Firecrawl, which is the API that we will need in order to extract data. So this is our first agent, job hunting agent, whose job is to find, well, jobs. And this is going to use our OpenAI GPT-4o mini model with our OpenAI API key. And I am a career expert who helps find and analyze job opportunities based on user preferences. And then this will automatically call the Firecrawl app or Firecrawl API in order to fetch the jobs for you. Then we have the job find jobs task, where our task is to find and analyze jobs based on user preferences. So once we get all the jobs from the Firecrawl agent from after going to that specific website, what we want to do is just find the jobs that have the years of experience as the one that is entered by the user and so on. And to get these jobs, we will go to naukri.com, indeed.com, monster.com and so on. And you can add more website by just adding the value here, and in this case it's now going to LinkedIn jobs as well. Certain websites are restricted by Firecrawl, so it will only crawl for websites that actually work for Firecrawl. Then this is the prompt we will send to Firecrawl: extract job postings by region, roles, job titles and experiences, and then look for jobs that match these criteria. For each job, extract these details and return data with at least 3 different job opportunities and maximum of 10. Now in here, what I can also do is mention the link to that specific job so that we're able to then just go and click and get that piece of info or for that specific job. So let me see if I can do it here. You can add more details here with respect to job type, but I also want to extract job link. All right, so I also need to mention this in the schema somewhere here: job link to the job posting. So these are the 4 or rather 5 skills or rather 5 things that I need to extract for each job. And then this is basic Python code where we say no jobs listing found and so on. And a lot of people who are looking at this code right now may not be aware of how, or with respect to how Python works. Don't worry, I'll just show you in case if you don't know how to use Python, you can just quickly, clone this and run this locally. We're also working on building our own agent ecosystem where you can use all of these agents without writing a single line of code. And then this is the agent without Firecrawl, where as a career expert analyze these job opportunities. These are the jobs that we found, and now we need to analyze and extract data with respect to the job that we need, right? So job type is also something that we'll look for, and then we also need the job link, skills, match analysis and so on and so forth. Then we also, for getting the industry trends, we go to PayScale and Glassdoor to understand how the industry growth is taking place. And this is a separate setup for industry trends. If you don't want to look at industry trends, you can ignore this piece, but this is similar to the job search agent, but this specifically looks for the growth of industry and so on, which you can skip if you don't want to do. Then we create the create job agent by calling the job hunting agent that we created here with all the details. And this is just basic Streamlit setup in order to run this agent on your computer. Or rather, this is the entire code that you see here is this UI, which you probably don't need to know if you're just trying to use the application right now. So that being said, I understand that you guys may not be developers and probably don't know how to use this. How do you use it, right? So that's a good question. You can essentially just install, you need to install Python in your computer, VS Code, and there's a course in case you want to learn how to run these agents in the description. For now, once you actually set the whole environment up, you can just do Streamlit and then put the link to these agents. Yeah, something, okay. So a basic mistake, you can do Streamlit run, and yeah, there you go. So now it's working, and in here we can have things like software engineer, 2 years of experience, Bangalore, and then Python and fast API, for example. And then you can select software development and do start search. You can try doing the search again. Sometimes you would notice that a specific website would fail. In this case, I think LinkedIn is failing. So let me remove LinkedIn from the search. All right, let me remove this, rerun the code, and then start the job search. Something else is failing as well. And this is, for specific jobs, sometimes this can fail. You need to filter out those website or other websites. So if you remove Bangalore and put India and then start job search, see if that works. So this is still calling LinkedIn. So we'll need to stop our code and run it again and see if we can quickly copy the data here and then try running it here. This is working now. The reason was that it was caching the LinkedIn piece and it wasn't running because of that. It is fixed and it's running. In some time I'll have the jobs that I can potentially apply to, and based on my experience I can get better visibility. Again, building these agents could be a bit complicated because unless you've written code, this is not straightforward for most people. What I would recommend is wait for the platform that we're building, in which case you will not have to actually, go through and understand code and push the code. Obviously, all the code is open source, so you can do it yourself. But if you don't want to do it yourself, I completely understand. And we're trying to build a platform where we can deploy these agents and you guys can use it without code. So right now it says there were no matching descriptions. Let's quickly remove things like Python. Unfortunate time for being a software engineer, I guess. And then we do start search again, and this time hopefully we find something. In 3 of the websites that it went ahead and looked for, nothing was found, which is strange because it does find something. At least for product manager it found something, but for software engineer it does not look like it's finding much info. You can see it did not find anything again. I'm gonna try product manager again, the same info, and this time, or let's do this, right? Let's remove skills and put software developer, right? And select software development and look for it. Sometimes when you put skills, maybe the jobs are not available for that specific skill set and nothing would show up. So this time we're turning that off and see if we can find something now. It looks like it is going through some websites now, because initially if you look at the output here, nothing really returned. Now I think it found a few jobs. And it does also have the link to the whole page, not the specific job, but it does have link to the page. And yeah, there you go. It was able to find some jobs for software development if you don't have skills in place, which means that if you don't have filters, it will find the jobs for you. So this is how it works. It will look up the web, find the right opportunities for you to apply, figure out what is the selling point for that specific job opportunity, and you can obviously configure it better. We're using Firecrawl, which is like an OpenAI plus extraction engine in order to get our data. But I'm trying to build a simpler version of all of this so that essentially you can deploy it without writing all of this code per se. So thank you so much and have a great rest of the day.